Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is alpha. This is today's daily cipher word, alpha. And as always, we line up the letters A, L, P, H, A, and then we find the corresponding Morse codes. For A, we look here, tap, long press, tap, long press. Then we look for L. L is here, tap, long press, tap, tap. It's tap, long press, tap, tap. Then we look for P. P is here, tap, long press, tap, tap, long press, tap. Then we look for H. H is here, tap, 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 tap 4 times, tap, 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 tap. Then A, it's here, tap, long press, tap, long press. Then let us get the phone and we enter in these Morse codes. Alright, click here in the middle and then we enter in the Morse code. A, we said tap, long press. Then L, tap, long press, tap, tap. Then P, tap, long press, oh, I made a mistake. Let us repeat, tap, long press, that's A, tap, long press, tap, tap, that's L. P, tap, long press, tap. Then H, tap, 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 tap. Then A, tap, long press, and the word is alpha. Lastly, click on take the price and you'll be good to go. Good job, CEO. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next video.